Welcome back, everybody. This is Andrea. I began my journey at Rutgers University in the graduate program for Masters of Information with the hopes of becoming a school librarian. One of my major focuses is children that are in your upper elementary grades who are reluctant readers. And this has been one of my focus during my projects for my search course, 530 with Joyce Valenza. So this is something that I created. It was a tutorial that we had to develop for, again, a group of our choosing, a persona of our choosing. And I chose, again, to go for my elementary to middle school children. So this tutorial was based on the novelist K8 Plus database. Here you'll see that I made it a fun and exciting, almost a graphic novel type like feel and coloring. So here I showed them different pages of the database, how they can access information regarding books and what kind of information they could find out about the books, reviews, all different things. So I wanted to try to make these things that are accessible to children within this age frame and this mindset of not being such big readers, trying to get them to be more excited about reading and more interested in reading different materials or just reading in general. So here's different things that I have. I have information regarding myself here. So this is the first page. And the second page, bring this into view here, gives more information for the children. It shows them keyword searches, recommended read lists, all different information. Then I gave a blurb about reading and the database, the novelist K8 database, more information about that, and EBSCO, who's the host of that database, and more information that was necessary for the assignment. But that's a little tidbit. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.